guys, welcome back to Cabin Crew Simulator. If the screen looks a bit smaller, like sideways or something, it's because I'm actually recording on my phone today because my iPad's having some issues. So if you look at the money that I have, you'll see I only have like $1,000. In last video, I don't know, I was like a bunch more. But the reason why is because I bought the A380, and yeah, so we're gonna use the A380 to Honolulu. We have everything. I already selected an event today, and we got severe turbulence. Gate 1. Oh my gosh, why do I have to be so far? We're just gonna hire all 6 of them. We got some pretty high levels. The one who has the highest level is at level 43. Oh, he's almost at 5 stars. The first 2 already have 5 stars. I'm not going to do anything because this is not my other airline that you saw on Safe Airline. That's Swiss. I don't know. Looks like it could be Malta. Sad. I was gonna say, it looks like it can be Swiss, but it probably isn't. 188. 99 people in economy, 82 people in business, 7 people in first class. Wait, which one's the pilot and which one's the flight attendant? Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. You guys get in here. I'm shutting the door. They need to figure out how to shut the door themselves. Sometimes I have to help them get the galley prepared, which is very unhelpful, but we just gotta do it. Because they wait until everybody's boarded, and they do everything in order to actually do this. Move out my way, please. If you want me to get the galley prepared, move. Getting on my... Move! 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 Oh, did we already start boarding? So whenever I use the A380, we're always late, so... But it's because we're understaffed. Well, finally that flight attendant moved. There was stains in there, like an NPC. Hurry up and get on. Why are you so angry? Get off my plane if you're angry. Why are you angry? Why is there babies getting on this plane by themselves? They just ridiculous. Why are you holding the baby like that? Buckle your seatbelt. Does anybody else have any issues? So, get this guy prepared. Don't worry, I don't have to get the galley prepared. It's just sometimes in the back of the plane, they will leave this part of the galley for me. There's like 2 napkins that they didn't put away. I wonder if I ever had a flight where I could just like sit and wait for all my flight attendants. Why am I in this bedroom? Why is there bedrooms on the A380? Who else is boarding? Oh my gosh, why is there babies on board? How are you guys doing that? Why are you guys doing this? What the heck? And then you do this? What the heck are they doing? Let's put on the blue light. looks nice in here, especially up here. Upstairs looks the best. It looks so nice right here. I wonder if we have any paparazzis on board or any celebrities. Start economy boarding, which means we have to start checking business. Don't give anybody the side eye while we're on this flight. I'm gonna get mad if you do. It's raining outside like always. I can hear it. I can hear it. How come you guys don't know how to sit on a plane correctly when it's time to take off or land? It gets on my nerves. One time I tried doing the seatbelt thing. I checked some people's seatbelts weren't even on. I was like, did the seatbelt sign not come on? I was furious. There's no way they're finished economy boarding, because why is nobody up here? Oh, wait, did I finish business downstairs? I thought I did. Oh, it's these ones. Oh, maybe this. Oh, yeah, because on the A380, I think each floor can hold the same amount of people, but they kind of shift it so like business class probably on upstairs starts like right here, and then like ends right here, and then economy starts right there, because it's kind of like slightly like more farther in the back of the plane than front, like this one. Let's see what's happening in the cockpit. Oh, they had the side sticks, okay. Why does it keep going? Like nobody wants to hear that. What you doing? Okay, is that the last person? Please tell me they are not going upstairs. If you go upstairs. I'm so lucky. Is he walking in place or?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Okay, put your stuff. Stop. Why do you guys need to stop giving bombastic side eyes? Look at your seat. Oh, okay. So you're gonna do everything? Okay, you can do everything. Okay. So now they want to help with everything. Wait, did I prepare the galley? No. Let's go check where we still need to prepare the galley. I thought they would have already prepared it, but sometimes they don't. Oh wait, I need to close bins. We're gonna do that first before I check the galley. Normally I just skip taxi, so yeah. Alright, shut all the bins. I'm not checking passengers. I thought they'd know how to. Can you guys? Oh yeah, they always leave at least one thing for me in the galley and some passengers. Passengers are still not checked. Hurry up. We don't got all day. Okay, you're closing overhead bins now. So you're saying you finished checking everybody who needed to be checked on your side or wherever you have to work. See, look, it's like a napkin and something else. Now is the galley prepared? Okay, and then overhead bins are still not shut. Why are they still not shut?
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Okay, finally we're taking off. I'm surprised we were even early to depart. Why are we just sitting here? Okay. Okay, what time is it? 7:28. We're kind of 2 hours late of taking off, but we shut the door in time. Okay, hurry up and take off. Rotate. Rotate. Are we about to do a vertical takeoff with the A380 or something? Looks like there's severe turbulence. Okay.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
What is that? Oh, that's cookies. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. I swear I was looking at something else that wasn't the cookies. Well, I like bun cakes. They're really good. Does anybody want something that's actually efficient in economy? What's that? Fruit salad? Oh, it's a fruit plate. Can we just call it a fruit salad? Is that fine? I think that will be fine if we just call it a fruit salad. I think I'll be fine with it. Who else wants a fruit salad? Here's your fruit salad. What's in here? Why is it? What? So weird. What are y'all guys doing? What do you guys want? Okay, we're watching some more stuff like we did last video.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
Oh, are you watching Disney? Alright. Mike Wazowski. Looks like you guys both watching Disney. Angry Birds. Turbulence is glitching me. Mountains. Flight info. We're going to Honolulu. It has never been sunny in Honolulu. They need to fix that weather there. Mike Wazowski again. In-flight service. Minions. Oh, they're watching Despicable Me 4. Let's see. Not the hamster thing again. Yo, why are you guys so interested? Did you give your hamster an iPhone 12 to FaceTime? Wait, tell your hamster I said hi. Tell him he got games on his phone. Yo, what he doing at the house? Why didn't you bring him? Bro, here, let's get you something to eat. You want something? Here, just take the lobster. No, okay, you took it. You're gonna make sure, whatever your hamster's name is, they eat it, okay? Is this Zootopia again? Okay, people are watching the same thing. Oh, now you're watching Despicable Me. Okay. They be watching the weirdest stuff. Okay, Economy doesn't have TVs. I don't know if I can do an upgrade where they have TVs. I don't think I can, but I hope I could. Why am I still selected on lobster? You want tacos? These are tacos. No, I'm staying here. Oh, that scared me for a second. I was about to say, did we have an in-flight emergency when I clicked That's creepy. Elsa, Zootopia. Come on, do you have to put your hair right there? Come on, I'm done with this. Come on, you can't put your hair right there. People are trying to. Okay, somebody put their hair right here. I don't know what this dude is watching. He's watching some dude in some box. I'm genuinely confused at the moment. Yeah. Who wants a milkshake? You want an energy bar? Play isn't even that long. You do not need an energy bar. Do you not sleep all night or something that you need one? How much more people do we need to serve? What is this movie? Anime? Okay, now that's actually Zootopia. Okay, we actually watching Zootopia with this one. Alright. Oh, and also watching SpongeBob. Okay. Hey, fairly decent. Definitely. Okay. I guess you guys can watch that. I still watching Zootopia. Now you're watching tornadoes or something? Okay, first you were on the phone with your hamster. Then you changed it to something else. I forget what. No, Despicable Me 4. Then you were watching Zootopia. Now you're watching tornadoes? What? Why you keep changing? Oh, you came back on the phone? Here, give him some pretzels, too. I don't care if you're in the economy or not. Give him pretzels. Oh, now you're watching. Okay, stop changing the vibe. It's getting annoying. Why are you watching clouds? I mean, I don't really think, I think it's fine if you put your hair there. She's not really looking at anything. All she's looking at is the flight info, which really isn't that important. Let's see how much they did up here. They did all of business. Did all of this economy. They're still finishing. No, I think they started this economy. Oh, they finished all of upstairs, and they just have to do downstairs. Oh, why am I going back up here? I can just go down the stairs that are back here. Eat your cookies. You want pasta or something? Ew. Is the pasta just tomato sauce? Why do you keep just watching random stuff? Okay, can you stop changing the vibe? You want some more clouds? Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go help out with the economy. It feels so creepy because like I have so much stuff on the menu. Take your ginger ale. Take the pretzels. Here's your energy bar. Finally. Finished.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
We started our descent, which means we started, I think we started our approach to land. Not approach, but we started, being ready to land. So, like, once it's time to land, you're just, like, prepared and stuff. But the descent is basically when you're kind of losing altitude, but you still have a good amount of altitude. Hopefully this is quicker because I'm helping them. What the heck? Where are you watching? What is this? I don't know what that is. Okay. We're not gonna do questions today. There's nobody in the sea. Are you using... There's nobody back here. What the heck? I feel bad if you say here you don't get a TV. Sonic? What is this? 3i the Builder? Finish this. Okay, she needs to hurry up, so we're just gonna do this.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
I don't know what's wrong with the audio. Oh my gosh, not the 3i the Builder. I don't know if I want to help with the arrival thing. Hi, Air. Are you looking at your dream vacation? Well, you're going there. That's Hawaii, and we're going to Hawaii. Still cruising? Technically, we're on our arrival. Put your seatbelt. Put your stow table away. Bring up your seat. Put your seatbelt. No, you haven't. Bring up your seat. Don't. Whatever. I didn't even touch you. Can you guys hurry up? Okay, I'm about to do it like everything for them. Wait, hold on. How come you had your stow table, you're leaning back? Like, how are you gonna reach it? Okay, we're ready to land. I think we're late for the landing. What time do we need to arrive? Tuesday, 10:50 a.m. Oh, it's still Monday. We didn't even make it to the next day. Okay, we're like really early. Let's see if they do a smooth landing. Are we landing on water or something? Oh, okay, it's kind of loading because it's kind of glitchy. Let's see if they can do a smooth landing because last time they did. I'd say that's fine. How does an A380 stop on this tiny runway? I'm not saying it's tiny, but like, how does it stop? If I were to actually fly a plane, I'm probably doing an overrun or something. Even though it's easy, all you gotta do is pull the throttle to 0, and then once you touch down, you use reverse thrust. It's so hard. Okay, we're skipping the taxi. And let's see where it is. Okay, I think it's ready to open. opening all the overhead bins. I don't know what was the point in that moment of silence. Alright. Come on, wake up. We're at our destination. Do you want to stay on the plane and go Do you want to stay on the plane and go to New York, or do you want to stay here and go to Honolulu? How do I open two at once? Everybody wake up. If you don't wake up, I'm going to go on the PA and I'm going to scream, wake up! Dang, business is already out. They said, bye, Felicia. Move out my way, you guys. I gotta open up the overhead bins. I'm not waiting to open them. I missed one? There. 5 incorrect passenger interactions. It's my flight attendant's fault. Bar safety. Oh, I thought it was a firm landing, but it was actually smooth. And we got 9,260. That's actually really good. Now we got 10,000. I forget what I'm trying to get. I think I'm trying to get Tokyo. It's just I want to save up more, because if I don't want Tokyo anymore, I can just get another place. Yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any post. Goodbye.